So right now I'm actually at Desertland. I'm gonna meet up with Miguel, which I haven't met him with all day. Kevin's already here, and we are gonna be prepping for the vendors to show up and just get that set up. It's about maybe 5:50. Since this morning, I haven't really stopped. It's been go, 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 and that's just how these events are. And that's what we go through. It's literally just go, go, go. So, like I said, it's part of the territory, and we're excited to do it. So we're excited for you guys to come, check it out. You guys are gonna have a blast. So this portion of the venue is where the hallway cars are gonna be filled throughout the venue. That's in the hallway. They're gonna be coming through here. It's gonna be chaotic. It's gonna be nice. So as you can see, this is the venue on a big scale. This place is huge. But now we're just planning with the director of Desertland. We're doing a walkthrough, final walkthrough about vehicle placement inside the hallways, what regulations we need to follow upon with the fire marshals, and getting it all regulated in our minds for show day. So
make sure you don't block anything egress.
Correct. All right, guys, for the ones that are competing in the burnout competition, if you guys lose control, you guys are going right into that barrier, and that barrier is gonna destroy your car. So take it easy, guys. So we have vendors showing up right now. It's later in the day. I got my vehicle out there so people know where to go. I actually gotta lock it so people don't jack it. This is Orlando. So what I'm gonna do is capture some footage for you guys, some of the vendors setting up, some of the unique cars that are gonna be placed inside the indoor VIP section. All right, so we got here, everybody's setting up. Hopefully you guys enjoy the B-roll of that. There's a lot of cars inside already.
Socks. Say something, man. Come on, say something,
All right,
man.
so today is the day before BMW Invasion. It's just been overwhelming. The amount of tags that we're getting on Instagram, people reaching out, everybody blowing it up. So really this is our biggest event so far. We expect this to continue to grow. But more importantly, we do this for the community, right? We do this to connect people. We got people coming from everywhere, as far as New York, Colorado, Texas, Vermont. So this is gonna be an exciting time, but it's more like a reunion to a certain extent, right? It's more about, we've been away because of COVID for a long time. So now we have here in Florida the liberty to just have a big festivity regarding BMW and the passion that we have for BMW. So stay tuned, watch more footage. Tomorrow you're gonna be blown away by what you see.
We got Cars with Keith here. Cars with Keith. If you guys don't know his channel, he's really big into car detailing. I gotta say, we've been Instagram buddies for quite a bit, right? Yep. And then we became friends, and that's what it's all about, right? So this is not his first show. This is not his last show. This is gonna be one of many shows.
And I'm pouring out too.
Exactly. He's drenched in sweat because it's just about prepping the car, because you're showing your baby off, right?
Oh yeah.
So,
both of them, yeah.
So I'm sure you guys know about the unicorn, right? There's a unicorn in this facility, and that's Matt Mormon's E92 M3 with less than 1,000 miles. I think less than 900 miles to be exact. Not to be exact, but to be whatever. But this car has less than 900 miles, and he's gonna build this. Definitely check out his channel. And this is the car that he's raffling off. I know I definitely submitted some raffles into that because it's an incredible build. It has over like anything you think of. You have brakes, everything. It's well built. So I was just being in awe with Tipton Tips. This is insane. This is something you can hear all throughout the video. This is insane. This is incredible. I'm blown away. There's everything you can see here, from classic BMWs to cars that you've seen on videos, on Instagram, or even on YouTube. Kevin, what do you think?
You see cars that you're never gonna see before.
Exactly.
I mean, honestly, my most favorite car here is probably Rusty's E46.
Yeah, this is something that was going to be in the movie.
That nobody is gonna see at some other show.
Exactly. But stay tuned, so much more footage. So in a little bit, you know, I was talking to Jonathan. You guys seen Jonathan on the channel before. He was telling me that this G8X rear-wheel drive runs 9s, and that's insane. Nothing in the internals were done, right?
Nothing internal. So the engine is still stock. It hasn't been opened. It hasn't been messed with. We're gonna get the full details to share with everyone. So
stay tuned.
Stay tuned. It's pretty impressive.
So I gotta thank John and Grizzly. Get over here. Get over here.
A-team.
That's the smarts. That's working smart, not
I'm
hard.
smart.
And having fun. That's insane.
It's unreal.
You guys remember them? Jane?
These are like BMW Invasion.
How you guys doing? How you guys doing? We're like family. All right, so I see my boy coming in right now. You know I gotta say what's up. My boy Loco. What up, bro?
What up?
What up?
Hey.
Time is now. Time is now.
Say hi to the boss, though.
The boss is in the car. So Loco's letting the boss drive.
Yes, I gotta adjust my seat, you know?
I know, I know.
People problems.
See, this is the person that makes the real decisions.
I know. I've been having a blast since coming here. I'm drained, but I'm having a blast. What about you?
I'm definitely having a blast. Definitely well worth everything. It's
He was talking about this is his second shirt.
my second t-shirt.
Just enjoy the footage, a lot of footage. Again, when you really think about everybody coming to this one event, this one venue, one passion, that's what it is. So, it's insane. This is insane. Look, we got Jake Spence here, right? You probably saw him on live, on the BMW Invasion IGTV Live episode, but Jake, you just drove from where?
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. How was that drive?
It was long. Straight shot, 22 hours.
Yeah.
Trailered the BMW out here.
It's safe and secure.
Yes.
Did you bring it inside already?
No. It's
So-
outside.
You're inside too, so we'll bring it inside whenever you're ready. All right, guys, we are here with Jonathan from Liquid Molly and also Alex. And then Jonathan was telling me earlier is that this G8X or G80 M3 behind me is pushing big power, rear-wheel drive, running 9s. So Alex, tell me about the car.
So yeah, basically it's one of my shops in Clearwater, Midnight Tuning. Javi is the owner over there. Car is running 7 718 to the wheels, and it just ran 993 at 142 at the Orlando Speed World last weekend actually. Stock turbos, a couple of custom midnight tuning modifications that done on the vehicle, and yeah, I mean it's, you know, stock internal, stock turbo. What can I say?
And the best thing is, what type of oil is it running?
Liquid Moly Special Tech BFE.
Exactly. But this car is insane. Check out the wheels. When you look at it, it speaks power. Jesus Christ, right? Look at that.
Sir.
Jesus Christ. Get it, Jonathan, get in here. Get in here.
Come on, get in there.
Jesus Christ. But that is insane, running 9 seconds on the track, so.
And it's one thing that I always told everybody. Everybody's always asking me, oh, do you have race oil? Do you have anything like this? We don't have a category that is specific race oil, but our oils are proven to stand power, to stand the heat, to be on the track, whatever you guys do. If it's daily driving or beat it up or 9 seconds, we're good for it. So remember that.
If you guys are using something else, switch over to Liquid Moly.
That's right.
All right, guys, so there's so much more footage. I'm having a blast. There's gonna be a lot of video.
And this is only setup.
This is only setup.
Setup day, that's it.
I probably filmed like
show right now.
I probably filmed like 40 gigs of memory already, so.
And I'm already tired, so I can imagine tomorrow.
Avalanche is coming. Yeah, I don't even hear a sound. I'ma keep on running. I'm never gonna come back.
All right, so I just left Desertland. I'm exhausted. I got Douglas here. You may have seen him from a couple videos.
Guys? How you guys doing?
We just finished setting up. I know some of the guys are still setting up there, but it's been an all-around good time. I'm not sure how I'm gonna break these videos up, but it's gonna be a massive amount of content. But Doug, you just drove from Tennessee, right?
Yeah, 14 hours non-stop. It's tiring to say the least, but
exactly.
Worth it.
Exactly.
First time seeing the F80 in person, man. This thing's gorgeous.
Absolutely.
It's super nice.
But I know
nice.
we're starving. We're gonna get some food. I'm exhausted.
Can't wait for tomorrow.
Yeah.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
His eyes are bloodshot red.
I can't wait. Yeah, my eyes are bloodshot. I left home at 4 a.m. Yeah, it was rough.
Yeah.
And then Orlando traffic. Yeah.
Dude, you're fucking tired.
It's gonna be worth it.
He's tired. I'm tired too.
I'm super tired. I look like crap.
All right, so besides, I'm gonna wrap this video up, or I don't know how many videos I'm doing, but I'm wrapping this video up. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tune in for next week's episode. It's gonna be the show day episode, which is gonna be broken down to many different episodes. I think. I have no idea, but we'll see. Exhausted.
Super tired. Freaking bags for days.
On that note, I'll see you guys next time.
I'm a freak, I'm an outcast, I'm a shadow. I stand with the lost souls, looking for a hustle. Got a pulse on the streets, I'm the one you won't look in the eye, no. Yeah, well, I could see what's headed for you down that road. And soon it's coming to